Did you know that the chicken is the closest living relative to the T-Rex? That's right, your friendly neighborhood hen shares a family tree with the king of dinosaurs. This fascinating lineage was unearthed through detailed DNA analysis, revealing a direct link between chickens and their colossal cousins. This discovery catapulted our understanding of birds and their prehistoric roots, making our feathered friends a little more fearsome. So next time you look at a chicken, remember you're looking at a tiny dinosaur. But it's not just their ancestry that's fascinating. Let's talk about their eggs. Now, the process of egg laying is a remarkable phenomenon. Picture this. A chicken, on average, can lay an egg once every 24 to 26 hours. Yes, you heard it right. Almost every single day, a hen is capable of producing a new egg. Think about the sheer energy and resources that go into this process. It's a testament to the incredible biology of these birds. But what's even more fascinating is the color of the eggs. Have you ever wondered why eggs come in different colors? Well, it's all down to the breed of the chicken. Contrary to popular belief, the color of the egg has nothing to do with its nutritional value or taste. It's purely a genetic trait, similar to how humans can have different hair or eye colors. For instance, white leghorn chickens lay white eggs, while Plymouth Rocks lay brown ones. Then, there are Araucana chickens, known for their striking blue and green eggs. Yes, blue and green. Isn't nature amazing? And here's another fun fact for you. The color of the egg can often be predicted by the color of the chicken's earlobes. Generally, chickens with white earlobes lay white eggs, and those with red or brown earlobes lay brown eggs. As for those blue and green eggs, the chickens that lay them usually have a mix of red, white, or even blue earlobes. However, it's not just about laying the egg. The process of forming and laying an egg is a complex one that involves a series of steps, from the formation of the yolk in the chicken's ovary to the addition of the shell in the uterus. It's a cycle that repeats almost every day, a fascinating testament to the resilience and productivity of these birds. So the next time you enjoy a breakfast omelette, remember the remarkable process that brought that egg to your table. Chickens are not just productive, they're communicative too. They may not be able to hold a conversation in the way we humans do, but they certainly have a rich and complex language of their own. When we delve into the world of chicken communication, we'll find that it's a lot more than just random clucking. Each sound, each cluck, each call has a unique meaning. Let's start with the basics. A simple cluck is the chicken equivalent of a human hello. It's their way of getting attention or expressing curiosity. Then we have the purr. Yes, you heard it right, chickens can purr too. This sound is usually a sign of contentment and is often heard when a hen is nesting or being petted. It's a soothing sound, a little like a cat's purr. Another fascinating aspect of chicken communication is the alarm call. Chickens are always alert to danger, and when they spot a potential threat, they let out a sharp, loud call to alert their flock. This call varies depending on the type of danger, whether it's a predator approaching from the ground or a bird of prey swooping down from the sky. But communication in the world of chickens is not limited to just sounds. Body language plays a significant role too. For instance, a rooster might fluff up his feathers and strut around to show dominance, while a hen might lower her body to the ground to show submission or readiness to mate. Chickens also use their communication skills to teach their young. Mother hens have been observed making specific sounds to guide their chicks towards food or away from danger, much like human parents teaching their children. So next time you hear a chicken clucking away, remember, it's not just noise. It's a language, a form of communication as nuanced and complex as any other. They're expressing their feelings, their fears, their joys, and their warnings. So chickens are not just mindless birds but have a complex language of their own. Every cluck, every call, every strut is a word in the rich vocabulary of chicken communication. Chickens are not loners. They thrive in a community. Now that's a fact that might surprise you. You see, chickens are surprisingly social creatures. They form complex social structures within their flocks. And no, we're not just talking about a random collection of birds. We're talking about a system of relationships and hierarchies, a pecking order, if you will, that's as intricate as any human social network. The pecking order is not just a phrase we use to describe workplace hierarchies. It's a real phenomenon in the world of chickens. It's a system of ranks and roles, and each chicken knows its place. The top chicken, often the rooster, rules the roost, while the others fall in line according to their strength, size, and age. This pecking order helps maintain peace and order within the flock. But it's not all about hierarchy. Chickens also form friendships. Yes, you heard it right, friendships. They can recognize each other, even in large flocks. In fact, studies show that chickens can remember and recognize more than 100 other chickens. They form bonds, look out for each other, and even show signs of mourning when a companion is lost. They also have their preferred companions or friends that they spend most of their time with. They eat together, roost together, and explore together. These friendships can be formed early, as chicks who are raised together often form tight bonds. And don't think these friendships are superficial. Chickens show empathy towards their friends. When one is distressed, others will often come to offer comfort. They also have been observed to display signs of altruism, with instances of chickens sharing food with their friends. So, the next time you see a flock of chickens, remember, there's a lot more going on than meets the eye. Behind those beady eyes and beneath those feathers, there's a world of social interaction, a world of friendships and hierarchies. Chickens, it seems, are quite social creatures, with friendships and hierarchies just like us. So, let's give our feathered friends the respect they deserve, shall we? Chickens are not just social and communicative, they're intelligent too. When we say intelligent, we're not talking about them being able to solve algebra or write a sonnet, but rather their cognitive abilities that often go unnoticed. Let's first look at their problem-solving capabilities. Chickens have been observed to use logic in their day-to-day lives. For example, they can figure out that when food is placed behind a barrier, they need to walk around it to reach their tasty treat. This may not seem like a big deal, but it's a clear display of spatial awareness and problem-solving skills. And it doesn't stop there. Chickens have pretty impressive memories too. They can recognize and remember over 100 different faces, both of their fellow chickens and humans. This is a remarkable trait, considering that even some humans struggle to remember a handful of names and faces. But what's truly fascinating is that chickens are capable of empathy. Yes, you heard it right. Empathy. The ability to understand and share the feelings of another. For instance, mother hens display signs of distress when their chicks are exposed to stressful situations, even when they themselves are not in any kind of danger. This suggests that chickens are capable of feeling and expressing empathy, a trait that was once thought to be exclusive to humans. Moreover, chickens have been seen showing signs of anticipation and even self-control. They can delay gratification if they know that waiting might lead to a better reward. Now, isn't that something? All these traits show us a side of chickens we rarely appreciate. They are not just egg-laying machines or a source of food, but complex creatures with cognitive abilities that rival, and sometimes even surpass, those of other animals. Next time you see a chicken, remember these fascinating facts about their intelligence and emotional capabilities. So, we've learned a lot about chickens today. From the age-old question of the chicken or the egg, we've discovered that chickens have an ancient lineage, revealing that these feathered friends have been around for quite some time. We've also delved into the incredible edible egg. The egg-laying process is a fascinating one that showcases the biological prowess of chickens. Each egg is a testament to nature's design, with its perfect oval shape and the nourishment it provides. But chickens are not just egg-laying machines. We've also explored the complex language of chickens. Yes, that's right, chickens have a language. They communicate with each other using a range of sounds and signals, a testament to their intelligence and social structure. Speaking of social structure, we've discovered that chickens have a pecking order, literally. They form complex social hierarchies, proving that there's more to these creatures than meets the eye. And lastly, we've learned about the cognitive abilities of chickens. These birds are far from bird-brained. They have an impressive mental capacity, capable of solving problems and demonstrating a range of emotions. Remember, chickens are not just farm animals, but fascinating creatures with a rich and complex life. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of chickens.